Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can scan your computer using your Windows Defender. Since Windows Defender is free, you won't be needing to download any antivirus. So now let's start by opening Settings. Then after try this search in this Settings, and search in Viruses. Then go on Viruses and Protections. And now as you can see a new Windows Defender just opened, so now that you are home, simply go and click on Viruses and Threats, then click on Starting Action, then click on it, and after getting this results, simply go on Quick Scan to simply start scanning for viruses. And now as you can see here your viruses started scanning. And here all the viruses that's hidden in your computer will immediately disappear. So apply this method every day whenever you feel insecure with your computer's safety. This will help you scanning viruses. And now as you can see all the viruses have been scanned and no more viruses. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.